Ready.
I am Amigo, and I'm here at Campfire. I've been doing this like maybe about 6 or 7 years or more. Yes, I'm selling like liquor, juice like this. Yeah, this is pure white. Salutes. Lot of more stuff there. So this is basically, I'm looking forward to excellent nights. Yes, pouring and blessings. Thank you.
So she is Jamaican Girl TV.
So like, comment, share and subscribe.
Alright, thank you, amigo.